In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Bumble app. By updating your Bumble app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues or any bugs associated with the older version of your app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to update Bumble dating app, all you need to do is to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Bumble dating app through my Google Play Store. Now, if I tap on it, you can see we have an update that is available. To update this, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Bumble app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, at this point, we'll have the latest version of Bumble dating app. You can now proceed and start using the latest version of Bumble dating app. So that's how you can update your app and get the latest version of Bumble app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.